Hi, my name is Nicole Bottaro, and I'm the Finance Director here at Northtown Lexus. Part of my job is to make sure your vehicle and you are protected during the term of your ownership. The manufacturer is going to give you a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty with your vehicle. There are a lot of options to give yourself coverage for when you need it further down the line. We have plans that will cover your vehicle against any road hazard-related damage to your tire or your wheel. It will protect you from dents and dings, stone chips in your windshield. Lots of variables that are always out of pocket for you from day one. We can also give you a bumper to bumper for as long as 10 years or 150,000 miles worth of coverage. A lot of the electronic components are not manufactured by Lexus, they're manufactured by third-party companies. Those are the biggest area of concern for us to make sure you have that coverage. After your 4 years or 50,000 miles is expired, everything is out of pocket for you, and we have plenty of ways to protect your investment. By paying up front, it'll save you a lot of expense down the line. You will have locked in what you're going to pay over the next several years of ownership. Please contact me at your convenience. We could discuss different plans, different options that are available to you.